Hey buddy, Sam back once again, and we're here with another case video for you. And this one is from Totallee, and it says it's the world's thinnest case. Wow. Well, let's check it out. Alright, so let's have a quick look inside the box. It's a nice kind of presentation. It's a nice plain white box. Slide it open. Boom, you get a little Totallee kind of bag inside there. And then in the back of it, it just tells you who they are. Something a little about them. Coolios. Stick that off to there. And let's have a quick look inside here, shall we? Get my bloody fingers in it, can I? Here we go. Yeah. How tiny is that? Eh? That's absolutely tinny. Huh? So let's see if we can stick it on the phone, shall we? So what I normally try and do is try and stick the bottom on first, and then kind of work my way around with the top, and then hopefully just kind of slide it in. And then Bob's your uncle, unless he's your cousin. It's now in there. Yeah, that is a very, very thin case. As you can see, it literally adds zero bulk. Well, it does add literally zero to it, doesn't it? Yeah, that is absolutely bonkers. And let's take you around it. So as you can see here on the bottom, it's got perfectly lined cutouts for the grill, for the lightning port, and obviously the speaker. Nice and nice. Going down this side, it doesn't have a button. It's got a cutout for the button. So you're going to get a nice little fingerprints all over that button there. We'd love to see it. And as you can see on the top, absolutely nothing at all there. And then going down to the left side, boom, see those buttons again, nice and shiny and sticky. Well, sticky, more like a fingerprint here. And a little volume switch. Not a volume switch, it's the mute switch, Sam. Yeah. On the back of it, it adds a tiniest bit of protection for that actual camera. It's slightly kind of in there. Not so much though. Again, these kind of cases are not really aimed at the kind of protecting your phone from drops and stuff like that. It's kind of protecting it mainly from like scuffs. You know, you can kind of chuck it around in your bag, etc. I'm not worried about scratching up the sides and the back. Doesn't offer a lot of drop protection, but it does protect the phone. So, and then on the front of it, as you can probably see there, it's completely flush with it. I've actually got a screen protector on there, if I can kind of show you. As you can see, it's kind of just flush with the actual screen itself. So the screen protector is slightly above it. So don't be slamming your phone down, because your screen will be touching the table or wherever you do put it. But that's it. That is the Totallee, the world's thinnest case from Totallee. Looks pretty nice. I believe it does come in other colours, so obviously this is like a black kind of grey one. I think there's like a clear one and some other ones as well. I will put links down below and you can go check them out. And I want to say thank you to the guys over at Totallee for sending this out to me for the video today. Anyway people, that's it. That's just been a quick video. I say quick, it's always longer than it should be. Of the Totallee super ultra duper thin case. But anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. Any questions, hit me up in a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Go on, smash, and subscribe. Why? It's free. Honestly, doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll see me in my next one. Cheers, everyone.